over this like this.
Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Jeez.
Well, it's blinking red, so we gotta go.
Orange guy.
Yeah, take it all off.
This?
You can see your booze on the YouTube. There you go. Here's the big reveal. And there she is. That thing. Oh, that slaps. There you go. Where is it? Do the reveal, girl.
Hello, I need the light, please.
I'm just not trying to film your titties and shit.
Oh my god, it doesn't matter.
That's not good. Please do not let her. That would be. It took a month to get, and it's sold out now. So, the floor mats on. Got the kiddo eating. Really cute. You're good. I'm trying to get this freaking sticker for, I don't even know, a month. Yes. For like a month now. You want to film real quick?
Sure.
Do the reveal so that this. Oh, I thought this said suspect. No, I'm just kidding. That's actually sick.
Nice.
Nice. See what I'm saying? I think this could kind of go.
Excuse me.
Right there, you know?
Mhm.
So we'll see. We'll see. Next clip should be it's on the car. So yeah.
How do I stop this?
It's so awkward. Straight.
All right, everybody.
What's up, everyone?
I'm just kidding.
Is this thing straight? Here's the big reveal. And there she is. That thing. Oh, that slaps. There you go. Where is it? Do the reveal, girl. I think this thing looks sick the further away you get it almost. I know that sounds weird, but now it's on the e36. So yeah, go ahead and give them a follow. I'll throw them in the description or whatever. So gotta rep the AZ boys, and plus I don't know, the brand just looks fire. So support your local business and shit, you know. So yeah, I feel accomplished today. Now I just gotta get this other fog light out, or yeah, this actual fog light out. And yeah, but I got the trim, the fog light. That's not good. Please do not let her. That would be. It took a month to get, and it's sold out now. So yeah.
Alright, you ready to
Now I just gotta copy some on some. I'm gonna put some on some shit stickers now on here.
You're welcome.
The thing looks sick. Now you know, like a younger person drives this, or a person that worships the Antichrist.
And then put your house in.
Yeah, exactly. It'll be kind of. All right, what's going on, you guys? So we're about to try to take this headlight out. Kind of late-ish at night, but whatever, right? Got 2 screws out from here, right here and here. Gonna go ahead and take this off. Also gonna go grab a rag and clean this down. Catch you guys in the next clip. Nothing too crazy, but to me, this mod is a good mod. Make your e36 go from crap to not.
Oh my
I
god.
don't want to see my face.
That's what you get.
That's exactly what they... Alright, opposite. You got this. I don't want this to die. It's blinking red.
Oh my god. Jeez.
Well, it's blinking red, so we gotta go. Alright, step 1, we got this out. Gotta basically get this out. So take a look at this. See where it mounts up to. So I know where to take it out. I just got these 3 out. Let's see where else is it? Oh, back down in here. It's mounted. So yeah, that's fun times, right? Over here. Is that it? I don't know where your phone is.
Are you
Anyways, so I bet you can do it yourself. So grab the headlight. No, the old one. Take the orange part off. I busted the clip. The orange guy. Take the whole orange guy off.
That's the orange thing. Orange guy?
Yeah, take it all off.
This?
You can see your booze on the YouTube. There you go. Leave it dangling. Throw that aside. No, don't throw it.
You thought.
You thought.
Is this even the right side?
I don't even know if it's the right
Can I
car.
take this off?
No. We'll leave that for last reveal. Throw that bad bitch in. What's missing this inner guy? So grab that from the old headlight.
What?
Extendo. That thing in the middle.
This thing?
Yeah. Oh, that thing's busted off. It's fine. It can run 2. I don't care anymore.
Can I? Well, how do I take?
We'll do it later. 2 is fine. We'll run 2.
I'm so lost.
Put it up to here
Off?
and grab one of these.
Drew, what am I doing? You're not telling me what I'm
Okay.
doing.
Put the orange on this new one. Reverse your steps first off.
There.
No, it's not straight. You gotta get it up. But there's top and bottom.
I know that.
Evenly. Put pride into your work. Assemble it like you're a German. There you go.
I am. What are you talking about?
Oh, it's just gotta stay flush. And I had this problem last time. I guess I can adjust it more, but I hate that look. There you go. Leave it right there. Yeah. You got it nice and flush now, right?
It's not. You're moving it. Okay. Now what?
Well, I hope that doesn't look bad when I'm done with it. I guess I can adjust it. Throw it in there. It's got to go up into here, so start there. And this has to fit in this hole.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Snaggle and wiggle it. Push things in.
There.
Hit it a little bit. There you go. Sounds like it there. Okay, so. Yeah, let's see this. Don't really like that headlight
Oh my god, Drew. I don't know
adjustment.
what to
Yeah, I'm
tell
gonna
you.
have to adjust it more.
Okay.
That's my
Yeah.
fault. Anyways, so grab one of these guys up there.
This?
Yes. And thread it into this. Make sure it's nice and even. Make sure you can, and if you have to pull and jank over this like this,
Oh my god.
but then you popped it out, you gotta make sure this is gonna go in there right, you know? So, there's lots going on here. Oh my god!
What do I use with it? This?
Don't do it all the way.
It said not even.
And then do this. And now you do that. Guess you can give it a couple turns, but that's it.
How do I?
Just do it.
How do I do this? Is this even? This isn't how you do it.
This.
This?
Go turn it to the right. Oh, yeah, you're right. You gotta flip the switch. There you go. Now go.
What?
I just flipped the switch. Alright, now you're good. Don't do too much on the first one. You gotta make sure your things are gonna even line up.
Was it even doing
You gotta
anything?
make sure this is even gonna line up. So grab your next one. It's in there. Good. Grab another screw.
Okay, let's get my way.
Okay, I'm in the way.
I need the light.
Sorry.
Hello, I need the light,
I'm
please.
just not trying to film your titties and shit.
Oh my god, it doesn't matter.
Ew.
I'm kidding.
Definitely not putting that in there. I'm cutting that out.
I'm just doing this because I don't care anymore.
Well, I'll definitely have that spot or that censored part for the thumbnail. That means nothing. That would be a fun video. I don't even exactly.
Drew, what the hell is it? I don't understand this.
Well, you're doing it. I'm watching you do it. Okay, you don't do it too much because you got this one down here and you don't want to pull it in too much now. You got more. See, you got this one down in there. So put one down there. Now swap the.
What?
We'll end it. There's another one down there. It's not just two. There's four.
Where?
Straight down.
Where? Okay, you're moving the light way too much. I can't see.
Straight down. You see that guy?
Right here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Please don't mix it up, like mess it up and lose it, because I don't know how you're gonna access it once it's in there. So you're gonna, nope. Let me put it in. Let me start it for you. Show the camera. Because once it's in that hole, if you lose it, you lose it. And I don't know how to get to it. So there you go. I got it. I can do it though. Just me. But guess what? I got you. I don't even need to see what I'm doing. I got it.
Drew, is it?
I'm a master at this. This is my full-time job.
You are so fucking rude to me. So mean.
Just don't drop the camera.
Okay.
Film me doing work
Oh.
on my body or my face. Not a girl or something.
Oh my
I
god.
don't want to see my face.
That's what you get.
That's exactly what I didn't mean. Okay, so this one down
Oh
here.
my god. Drew.
Okay, there's a guy in there too. Too bad I wish I had a
Where is it?
I wish I had a
Oh, just use that.
I wish it was magnetic. I wish I had a
It's not magnetic?
no, I wish I had a magnet. Anyways, we'll
This
be back.
isn't magnetic?
No.
Let me see.
You're good. Alright, go see if these work.
Okay.
And then come back out. Just start the car. Don't start it all the way, but. Alright, so there she is. Here's the older one.
Where's the keys?
Let's look at these because
Where's the key?
I'll be a e36 hoarder. Good asking. Be careful, there's hardware still out there. So yeah, she's gonna start it. We're gonna see
I'm not starting it, I'm just trying.
the lights on you. It's weird, I got such mixed mats. I got nice headlight, fog light, old headlight, fog light cover. Nice. Now turn on your brights. Look at how much different that is.
Wait, why isn't that one on?
Well, why is the other one not on? It's because those are your brights.
Oh, I knew that.
Okay, go try it. You can see that one's all fogged out. No, that's nothing, but... Oh, that's weird. Oh, that one doesn't work. That's right. I guess we'll find out today. I'm running amber for now, just because I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I'll probably eventually change, but... Turn brights on. Pull the switch to you, or towards the center console. I got it. You need to learn now. If you're going to be driving these cars, this is brights.
Yeah, but what do I do?
I'll shout out my... Oh, whoops. It's this.
What?
I pushed it forward. Push forward. There you go.
Oh, I knew that.
Shout out my girlfriend picked out these floor mats.
Oh, I did
Hopefully if this does get monetized, I don't get demonetized for it.
That is so bright.
We literally just threw them in.
It looks so much prettier.
Yes, thank you, even with them on.
I want to clean this.
Yeah.
This is like...
I can't even film it. It's so bright. You're right. But, yeah.
Okay, let's get started on the other one.
Yeah, definitely. So here's the low light in general, and we'll show you guys about. Oh, she's turning at brights and not brights and all kinds of stuff. I don't know. I just thought this would be a little better for you guys to see. Not sure what you guys' opinions on how much. Let's see if I could get nice in between. Right there, we can still see the car, but the headlights as well. Seems good there.
My phone is at 3%, so if you want this done today,
this all looks like blurry on this one.
started.
Ooh, that looks clean already. It's got the plastic wrap on it, but sheesh, right? Boy, freaking headlights, man, on these cars go such a long way. We'll see about the corners. This just looks like a little before and after of me cleaning this. I know it's kind of dark and you guys can't see super well, but I don't know. See, it's kind of dirty around here. I don't need birds. Yeah. You'll see when she comes back with the light and stuff. Put the whole ass hood on the camera. Everything should be fine.
Okay.
We got some food out here. We got the sticker on. The floor mats on. Got the kiddo eating. Really cute. But yeah, we got some pasta all up in this bish. So yeah. But yeah, it was very terrifying. We got some collateral damage here. Some dents from the camera. Over here. See those two. And this camera here. Anyways, these are the headlights. And then she had the idea to bring in or do the other. This looks really good though. For like an OEM, like upgraded whatever, like if you guys just want to just do headlights, it looks so good. We're gonna do the corners now. So yeah. There is that, you know. I mean, I think that just looks so much cleaner. You can see the true difference right there. Having one style versus faded. So anyways, I'm gonna finish some some pasta, and then yeah, put those on. Alright, what's going on, you guys? So let's see if we can get this corner lights open. Mama, get some of these open here. One-handed vlogger life. Okay, looks like I got that much opened. Got one box there. I guess it'll be the same for the other one. Nice China stuff. Along with a little China in your life. And yeah, you get what you get. That's what I ordered. So hell yeah.
I don't know what.
But yeah, that's it right there, I guess. Let's see if we can get this open.
What are you doing?
That was Nana. That was you. That was nice. This is my corner light. Last time this didn't stick very well, but this one seems to be doing better. Yeah, we'll see.
Oh. Okay, here we go.
Okay, this is about where I'm at. Kind of middle of the progress type stuff, but I don't know. Let me know down in the comments what you guys feel about the non-amber, which would be up there, corners versus the ones I got. I think it clashes right now because of the fog light, so once I get this side on, at least you can ignore that fog light, you know what I'm saying? So we'll go from there. When I do that, I think I'll be a lot better. It's just that fog light's throwing me off, so but yeah, looks a lot cleaner for sure, that headlight. So let's go. I don't even recognize this car. It's all brand new and shit. This is a fun part. Do you want to rip off this plastic? I know you do. I'm gonna do it without you. I'm doing it without you. Yes, babe, yes. Can you rip this off? I bet you can.
You finished?
I think so.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Is it satisfying to you? Here, Dada, here. Here,
Oh
Dada.
my god, it's stuck.
Yeah, it's okay. Alright, well, we'll undo the rest and show you guys later. Alright, I guess that about wraps that up for that. Let's go ahead and check out what we got here. So, headlights looking kind of not it, you know, like this isn't lit up. And this one that is lit up is clear, so yeah, we gotta get orange ones anyways, so let's go ahead and turn that off. Car here. So yeah. Headlights are in. So yeah. What do you guys think? Orange better, back end, but I did have a point. Last ones were painted black, so these headlights are in. So that's a thing now. But yeah. I like that side better because of the fog light cover, but there it is. Don't think these two clash like I said earlier. But yeah. Getting there, getting there. Either way, e36 mod, I think that upgrades it up a lot, you know. Starting to get it good before, but I'll insert the picture right here. And then yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video or whatever. I'll update you guys with a little daytime clip. But yeah, we're done for now. Past midnight. Be out here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, e36. Kind of budget, kind of not really. Like, but the headlights are $100. You know, they go a long way on these cars. So as you can see, with that, plasti dipped the bumper trim and then painted the fog light cover I found from the junkyard. So yeah, that's it. Wraps it up for today. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, once again, e36 headlight conversion or whatever. I gotta get some ambers bulbs, but other than that, I think it's good to go. We're out here. Peace.